ಇದು ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಈ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಬಿಲ್ ಕೊಡು. ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಹೀಗೆ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಂದು ಗೈಡ್ ಬಂದು ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಈ ವೆಯ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಶಾಕ್, ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಕ್.
Coming to planning?
No, second time.
For others, I'll do a short briefing about planning. Here we have 40 species of animals and 700 plus rescued animals. So all the animals over here are rescued. So I'm Gaja and I will be handling this section for you. So this section is called as rodent. So here we have many small mammals. So we'll be handling these animals. For the safety of all these animals, we'll all sit down. You all sit down. And when you're capturing pictures, please make sure the flashlight is on. But close there. Arm out. So have you all seen rats and mice? Do they have fur on the tail? Yes, they don't have fur on the tail. So these guys have fur on their tails. They're called as gerbils. And they're all native to Mongolia. So is Mongolia a hot region or a cold region? It's a cold region. So when they feel cold, they just wrap the tail around the ears and face and they go to sleep. And when these guys are curious, they stand like kangaroos with their hind legs. And their lifespan is 3 years and they're all omnivores, so which means they eat worms, insects, seeds, anything. So I'll be getting the animal to you. You can all just hold your hands flat like this. Please don't cup them or hold them from the top.
Just hold your hands flat, no?
ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ, ಹಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಈ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಚ್ಚೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಕಚ್ಚೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ.
ವಾವ್. ಏನಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರು?
ಮಂಗೋಲಿಯನ್ ಜರ್ಬಲ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮಾರಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ನೀನು? ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ನೀನು? Guinea pig,
not guinea pig. So have you all heard about hamsters?
hamsters.
So this is the hamster. and it's native to Syria. And Syrian hamsters are the largest breed of hamsters we find. And you all know monkeys store food in the cheek pouches. The same way, even hamsters do have cheek pouches. They can store food up to half of their body weight. So what they do is every night they run in the wild for 3 to 4 kilometers and stuff the food in their cheek pouches. Every morning, each 20 minutes, they wake up, pull out a seed, eat, and again go back to sleep. And they all would be having a small tail. You all see this? So again, you cannot hold your hands flat. I'll be getting him beat.
ಕಚ್ಚು ಕಚ್ಚು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಚ್ಚು ಕಚ್ಚು ಹಂಗೆ ಮೂಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಚ್ಚು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರನ್ನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು
ಯೂಶಲಿ ನೈಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ
ಹಾಂ
ಸೊ ಡೇ ಲೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆ ವೀಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ
ಸೊ ಅದು ನೈಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಆ ಫೀಲ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ಓಕೆ
They're born in pink color and they'll be blind and deaf. So in that stage, they're called as pinkies. After 12 days, the first starts on growing on them. Then they're called as fuzzies. Later, they tend to hop around. Then hoppers. And then they come to the subadult state and then the adult state. Now the animal which I'll be showing is, when they are born, they skip all these 3 stages and they're born as a subadult. With fully fur and eyes open. Any guess which animal is this?
rabbit.
No.
Guinea pig.
Yes, it's a guinea pig. And what do we all see missing in a guinea pig? There's something missing in it.
Tail.
Yes, that's why they're called as tailless rodents. And they're all native to South America and they're completely herbivorous animals, which means they're all plant eaters. And their average lifespan is 8 years. And after a few hours of their born, they start running and they can eat any solid food which their mother can eat. But the sad part is, they're all used for lab testing purposes.
Oh,
So as they're bit, I'll be placing him on your lap. You can all gently pet him.
how old is he?
He's 4 years old.
On the lap,
ಅದು ಇದು ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಲಿ
ತುಂಬ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲೂಯಿ. ತುಂಬ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇನ್ನೇನೋ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ
ಓಡೋಗಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
Which animal is this?
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್
No. Yes, it's a pygmy hedgehog. So pygmy means small. This is the maximum size they grow, and they're all native to Africa. And what we see, all these spiky things, these are called as quills. So when they are sleepy, or when they are scared, or when they feel threatened, they just form like a ball and spread out the quills to defend themselves. And these
animals, they're all completely nocturnal. Especially this one, it's completely nocturnal. They would only be active at night.
Tawny, is it?
They're not that spiky. See, this is how they form, like a ball.
We can see from down. God, the ears. How old is he?
He might be around 3 years.
Okay.
Their lifespan is 8 years. Just as same as guinea pigs. So you can all touch him, but don't pat him like this or from the back. You can all touch him from the front. You can just touch him like this.
ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
He's up and he's active.
ತೆಂಗಿನ ನಾರು ಇದಂಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಡಿಮಲ್ಲ ಇದಾಡೋದು.
Can you guess which animal is this? Iguana. Yes, it's an adult green iguana. An iguana can grow up to 5 to 6 feet, and they're all completely herbivores. Which means again they're all plant eaters. So he's Ivan. Ivan is almost 10 years old, and he was rescued from Chennai Pet Store. You can all touch him, but not the head and the tail. No, just touch his tummy. You know, come one by one and touch him.
ಓಕೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾ
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ನೀನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಾ.
Come, don't worry, come. Come, just touch his tongue. You know what are all this? Easy, Ivan. Easy. You got it.
ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ.
ಸರಿ ಹಂಗ ನೋಡಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
You know, come close and touch him. Don't worry, he's very friendly.
It feels little rough. They are okay with this kind of climate, right?
ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Yellow color.
They're all native to South America. Their habitat is rainforest. And the main thing is they all need sunlight. So when they get proper sunlight, it would be helpful for them to digest the food or to be active or to eat food. And another cool part about iguanas are they recognize humans and they can follow commands. Yes. So, no. And what do you see this? So this is called as a subtympanum shield. So it is to show the dominance to the other male or to attract female. No, Ivan, stop. 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 Okay, so everybody done?
తెచ్చుకొని ఉన్నాం అది